What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can use Amazon to make money. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, making money on Amazon. I'm going to show you some pretty cool ways. I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can do this, and one of them I currently do myself. So the first one, now this is in no particular order, the first one is KDP. So most people know Amazon KDP as Kindle Direct Publishing, where they can publish their Kindle books. Well, it's now so much more than that. You can publish paperbacks, as we can see here. So why is that interesting? Well, this is another form of POD, print on demand. But instead of it being t-shirts, it's print on demand books. So you can create these low content books, which are notebooks, sketchbooks, planners. There's so many different low content books that you can publish on Amazon KDP. Then every time that sells, Amazon will send you royalties and take care of everything. So what do I mean by a low content book? So I pulled this up. This is a composition notebook. As you can see, this person has designed this. Then all the inside is lined paper. So really, really easy to do. Because once you create this template, this interior, you can use it over and over again and create a different design for the cover. So this is a low content book. Now if you're interested in doing this, come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. Now I do have a step-by-step course on how to create and sell low content books, but what I've also done is put one of the videos from the course within the Inner Circle. The Inner Circle is completely free to join. There will be a link down in the description below. But what I've done, I've taken one of the videos from the course on how to get the right dimensions for your front covers. So for this, so you can use this video, and I've also added some free interiors just here. So if you want to get started with selling low content books, come and join, watch this video, create a cover, use this interior or one of these interiors, and you're good to go. So the second one is merch by Amazon. So where with low content books, this is print on demand books, merch by Amazon is print on demand t-shirts. So again, you create these designs and then you can put them on a t-shirt, and every time that t-shirt sells, Amazon's going to ship all to your customer, do everything, all the hard work, and send you royalties. So pretty much the same as KDP, but with t-shirts. Now in my opinion, merch by Amazon is a lot harder to do than selling low content books. With low content books, KDP, you can create an account and start selling on the same day. When it comes to merch by Amazon, there's tiers that you have to hit before you can start uploading so many designs. But with KDP, it's unlimited. On your first day, you could publish 50 books if you wanted. But anyway, that's the second way. It's merch by Amazon. Still a really good way to make Amazon money. So the third way is Amazon FBA. So with Amazon FBA, what you have to do, now this is a lot more trickier and a lot more harder than merch and KDP, but what you do is outsource products. You can outsource these products from China or anywhere you want. These products can be anything. You do have to do your research. But what you do, you outsource these products, let's say a kitchen whisk. Then you get your kitchen whisks or whatever your product is, and send them to a fulfillment Amazon center. Then you do all your listings and everything on Amazon, and then every time that sells, again, Amazon's going to take care of everything and send it to your customer. So this is a real good business as well. I've never personally done this, but you never know, I might in the future. So the fourth way to make money with Amazon, what is that? Well, that's become an affiliate for Amazon. So on Amazon, they have the biggest affiliate program in the world. And as you can see, you can earn up to 12% in commissions. Is that right? Yeah, get up to 12%. Now you're going to start off on a lower tier. And then once you start selling more products, your commissions slightly increase. Now the good thing with the Amazon Associates program is you can literally sell anything on Amazon and make a commission. So I could literally sell this low content book for someone and make a commission. Now when it comes to being an affiliate for Amazon, there's so many different ways that you can go around this. Now it's really good if you have a YouTube channel, because you can have links in your descriptions to the products you actually use. You could build out an Amazon affiliate website, a little bit more trickier, a bit more of a learning curve, but the potential to make money with Amazon affiliates is absolutely crazy. Now, which one of these four ways do you like the most? Leave a comment down below letting me know, and if you're going to try any of these. Remember, if you want to learn about Amazon KDP and selling low content books, then come and join the Stackers Inner Circle, because it's completely free to do so. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.